Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a Dodge Journey battery. Before you begin, safety is paramount. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. Gather your essential tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and, most importantly, safety glasses. You'll typically find the battery located behind the front driver's side wheel, requiring wheel removal for access. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now let's safely disconnect the old battery. It's crucial to always start by disconnecting the negative terminal first. This prevents any accidental electrical shorts. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut on the negative terminal, then carefully remove the cable. Next, repeat this process for the positive terminal. Finally, remove any hold-down brackets or clamps, which often require a 13mm wrench to free the battery from its tray. Remember, batteries are heavy, so lift with care. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. First, clean the battery tray and terminals to ensure good contact. Carefully place the new battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely. When connecting, always attach the positive terminal first, tightening it firmly with your wrench. Then, connect the negative terminal last, securing it tightly. This order is vital for safety and proper electrical flow, minimizing the risk of sparks. You're almost done. Before reassembling the wheel well, double-check all connections to ensure they are tight and secure. Then, start your Dodge Journey to confirm the new battery is functioning correctly. If everything looks good, you can reinstall the wheel well liner and tire. Remember to dispose of your old battery responsibly at a local recycling center. For added longevity, consider applying anti-corrosion grease to the terminals. Great job! You've successfully replaced your battery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.